More news coming in. This is a story we're reporting on from Kona Seema right here, where a class 10 student has been brutally ragged. Is brutalized and branded with a hot iron around his abdomen and arms. It's a shocker that we're reporting on at this point in time from Andhra Pradesh. It's a ragging shocker involving a class 10 student who was subjected to brutal torture by his hostel mates at the Sri Chaitanya school. The victim, identified as Gurum Vincent Prasad, was branded with a hot iron box on his abdomen and arms by fellow students 10 days ago. The mother of the victim had visited the hostel recently, noticed her son's injuries. The boy reportedly was threatened with dire consequences if he revealed the assault. The mother has said that he was assaulted and was crying in pain, and when she questioned him, he said his classmates had pressed a hot iron box on his body. They also warned the young child, telling him that he should not be telling anyone or they would kill him, is what is now being alleged by his mother. The police are investigating this case. A complaint has been lodged, is what we are learning.
నా పేరు గుర్రం విన్సెంట్ ప్రసాద్. నేను రాజమండ్రిలో ఉన్న మోరంపూడి శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్లో చదువుతున్నాను. అక్కడ ఒక లాస్ట్ సండే నేను 10వ తరగతి లాస్ట్ సండే నేను బ్యాగ్ కోసం కిందకు వస్తుంటే మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇద్దరు సీసీ కెమెరా
Last week when I had come down to take my bag,
చూస్తే
two of my classmates came
లోపల సీసీ కెమెరా
to
పే
check
చేసి నా
the
బ్యాగ్ లో
CCTV
పెట్టారు.
camera.
నా బ్యాగ్ లో పెట్టి ఆ రోజంతా నా బ్యాగ్ లో
Trying to check, they snatched the CCTV camera from where it was placed and stealthily kept it in my bag.
వాళ్ళిద్దరిని పిలిచారు. వాళ్ళిద్దరు నన్ను పిలిచారు. వీడు ఉన్నారు సార్ మాతోటి, వీడిని అడగండి అంటే
The school principal and the hostel warden had called us the next day questioning about the CCTV camera, and those two students had picked my name saying that I will also be there.
వాళ్ళిద్దరే పీకర్ సార్ అని. ఆ రోజు కరెక్ట్ గా మధ్యాహ్నం
They asked me to tell the truth. I told them that it was of my classmates who had gone and taken the CCTV camera. After I had told the truth, these two students called me back to the hostel room and then locked me up inside and beat me badly. They also threatened me with dire consequences. An iron box
సీసీ కెమెరా గురించి చెప్తున్నా. మేము సీసీ
scarred me on my hands, my thighs, and my stomach, warning me of consequences, saying that just for the CCTV they had done this, and if I went and showed these injuries, then there would be severe consequences to my actions, is what they threatened, which is why I have been scared and been silent for the last 1 week. I even lied to the hospital saying I had been scalded by hot water and asked them for an ointment for my hand. Then my mother came around, and when she saw what had happened, she questioned why I had kept silent for this 1 week.
జిల్లా శంకరగుప్తం మర్కీపురం మండలం శంకరగుప్తం గ్రామం అండి. మరి నా కుమారుడు పేరండి విన్సెంట్ ప్రసాద్. మా బాబు అండి 8th క్లాస్లో రాజమండ్రి.
Prasad is my son. He had been studying 8th standard somewhere. We just joined with Chaitanya school, and he's been studying here for almost 1 year. He's in class 10 currently.
హాస్టల్లో జాయిన్ చేసాము. 10th కూడా హాస్టల్లోనే
Joined him at the hostel
లాస్ట్ వీక్ నాకు ఫోన్ చేశాడు.
for his studies.
మమ్మీ నాకు ఫీవర్గా ఉంది అని చెప్పాడండి.
Last week, my son called me saying that he was
వైరల్ ఫీవర్ అన్నారు.
from fever,
చేశారు మమ్మీ, మెడిసిన్ ఇచ్చారు, బాగానే
and that they had given him an injection and medicine for his fever. When I asked him if I should come and take him up, he said no, they had given me injection and medicines, and that because it is a viral fever, he would like to rest at the hostel only.
దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడం జరిగిందండి. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత బాబుని చూసాను. బాబు 2 years చదివాడు అక్కడ.
After almost 1 week, since I have not heard from him since the last call, I went to see him When I went, he immediately saw me and he came and started crying. This is the first time I've seen him crying
ఆ తర్వాత
in a long
బయటికి
time.
వెళ్ళండి ఇలాగ చక్కగా ఇలా చూస్తే ఇలా
Apurva is with us. Apurva, this is absolutely horrific. Tell us a little about what the administration, the school administration are now saying, given that they didn't even, tell or inform the parents. This child continued to suffer for days together until the time the mother visited him.
Well, that's right, Neha. In fact, it's a very shocking incident that has come up here
Yes.
from Andhra Pradesh. In fact, the child there, what he's saying is that he had also, since the last 1 week, he had been suffering silently, is what he says. He said that he's also lied to the school authority, saying that he had been burnt by hot water, and which is why they had given him ointment, but that he had not told or revealed what had actually happened to anybody, including the hostel warden and the authorities, neither to his mother as well, because he was threatened with dire consequences. That's the video that we can see of the child there that has now come out. In fact, we are yet to get a statement from the school authorities there, but the school education department there, DEO, has taken action cognizance of this incident that had taken place, and in fact today they are on the ground there, visiting the school and the hostel, looking into who are those two students who had been behind this accident and why they had threatened him, and they're looking to see what next action can be taken against, be it the school, the school principal, the hostel warden, or even those who had committed such a heinous crime on this 16-year-old boy.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Apurva Jayachandran this morning.